Hi boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with multi-syllable words. Multi-syllable words have a few rules. Rule number 1, every syllable must have a vowel sound. Number 2, when there are two consonants, divide between the consonants. Our first word is picnic. Chin drop, picnic. Picnic. Clap, picnic. I'm going to spell the first syllable I hear, pick. P, I, k. The second syllable I hear is nick. N, I, k. Picnic. Please find the vowels and underline them. You don't need to do it with color. I do it just so it stands out for you. And then we are going to divide our syllables between the consonants. Picnic. And how many syllables are there? 2. Our next word is basket. Chin drop, basket. Clap, basket. I'm going to spell my first syllable. B, A, S. Second syllable. K, E, T. Basket. First thing we're going to do is find and underline the vowels. Then we are going to divide our syllables between the consonants. And how many syllables are there in basket? That's right, 2. Our next word is subject. Chin drop, subject. Clap, subject. I'm going to sound out my first syllable. S, b. Second syllable, j, e, k, t. Subject. Please find and underline the vowels. And we're going to divide the word subject into syllables, finding two consonants side by side and split them right in half. And how many syllables are in subject? Again, there are 2 syllables. Our next word is tennis. Chin drop, tennis. Clap, tennis. I'm going to sound out my first syllable. T, e, n. Sound out my second syllable. N, I, s. Tennis. Please find and underline the vowels. Then we will divide tennis into syllables, finding 2 consonants, and divide them in between the consonants. And we have 2 syllables in the word tennis. Our next word is magnet. Chin drop, magnet. Clap, magnet. Going to sound out my first syllable. A, g. Second syllable. E, t. Magnet. Find and underline the vowels. two consonants side by side, and we're going to divide and split in half right in between. And I can see that there are two syllables in the word magnet. All right, boys and girls, you can see that I have written the last 5 words for you to do on your own. Let's read the words together. The first word is sunset. Sunset. The next word, plastic. 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 Then we have contest. 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 Rabbit. 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 Our last word is person. 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 So what you're going to do is follow the same steps. Find and underline the vowels. Divide the word into syllables, finding those two consonants and cutting them in half. And then you will tell me how many syllables are in the word. You're going to do great. Good luck. Please write your name at the top of your paper. All right, my friends, it looks like we have a word bank along the bottom. And we are working with an R-controlled vowel today. We are working with U-R. U-R says The first word is surf. Surf. I see another U-R. U-R says The word is turn. Turn. Then we have another U-R. Purse. Purse. Back up at the top. U-R. Curb. Curb. And look at this arrow. What is it pointing to? Then our next word, nurse. Nurse. Turtle. Turtle. Hurt. Hurt. Oh, look at that poor puppy. He looks so hurt. Looks like he has a bandage on his head. Looks like he is hurt. Next word, turkey. Turkey. And our last word, burn. Burn. Look at the stove and all of this smoke. It looks like dinner might be ready to burn. Oh no. All right, my friends, you will then write the word with the matching picture. When you're done, turn it into the basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go.